major city in Latin America.
A major city in Latin America.
That's our vision for Kingston. Embrace it and begin to think about it as you go through your school years and enjoy your school years. And prepare yourself to be leaders in Kingston in another 10 or 15 years. Right? So I turn over the floor to the mayor. The mayor will introduce himself and the mayor will speak to you.
Thank you again, Mayor. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all doing?
We are fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm doing well. I'm in your beautiful country. And I bring greetings from Belize, Central America. I want to first introduce some of my team members with me. Ryan Eliho, he's our counselor for tourism. Mike Agun, he's a counselor for youth. He loves to work with the youths. I have my sports coordinator, Mr. Novello, along with myself, and we have some members from the youth tech team, and we have Erin with us. She's from our PR department. I tell you, I am so excited this morning when I stepped in this room and when the mayor told me that I will be meeting some of the kids from Kingston. I never imagined that one day I would be meeting you beautiful kids from Kingston. And you know something, when I look at your faces, I see Belize. You look so much like Belizean children. Isn't that so?
Yes.
Right?
The uniform is similar to?
Yes, and actually this uniform that you all have on reminds me of a school in Belize, Mayor, Bernice York Institute of Learning. And I'm so excited that the Mayor has taken this opportunity to meet with yourselves every day or throughout the year. As it's important as leaders in our community that we touch base with our kids, right? Because you all are the future of any country. You all are the future of any nation. A nation cannot go nowhere if there isn't succession planning, and I can see that the mayor here is doing an awesome job in putting to you his vision of Kingston. And every day that he comes in here and he tells you that he wants Kingston to be what?
The
Best pearl of the
pearl of the Antilles.
of the Caribbean.
Once you continuously, there is this thing that they call a law of attraction, and I think the mayor is using that. That anytime you say it over and over again, it becomes a reality. And as you, as young kids and young children, if every day you wake up and you say, I want to be a doctor, I want to be the prime minister, I want to be an attorney, it will come reality to you because you are attracting it each and every day when you say it. You're attracting it and you're bringing it to yourselves, and it will happen. Trust me, it will happen. I'll tell you a little short story about myself, right? When I was a child, grew up very poor in the Penwood area of Belize City. And I used to, we grew up poor, we didn't have much, but my mom and dad sent me to school with the tear-up pants, the tear-up shirt. But I always used to go in front of a bank at the Royal Bank. And when I passed that bank, I used to see people shuffling the papers in there, and I was a child with my little bag on my back, and I said, I want to one day work in this bank. And you know something, kids? One day I worked in that bank, and while I was working at the bank, I came in as a cashier. And every day when they gave us a report, annual report, Mayor, I want to be the manager of this bank. Every year for the 24 years I was there, going into the 24 years, I always put I wanted to be the manager of this bank. And you know what happened, kids? What happened?
You want to turn
the manager of the bank. And so I said again, I went even further. I said, I wanted to retire and serve my community. But I didn't know what area I would serve. And so I retired. And you know what happened? they asked me to run for the mayor of Belize. And I took that opportunity and became the mayor of Belize. So I'm saying this, kids, that whatever you dream of, continue dreaming, it will become reality.
And work at it.
Start by dreaming. Start by reaching for the stars each and every day. Right? Pray with your parents. Articulate your vision. Continue to say, this is what I want to be. And you work towards it. Set your goals each and every day. Set a daily goal. Set a weekly goal. Set a monthly goal. Set an yearly goal. And each and every time, your dream of your parents will become your reality. And so I thank you all this morning. It's great to be here. I love you kids. You look just like Belizean kids, right? I will say that over and over again. You look like Belizean kids. And I must say Kingston has a great future, man. Thanks again.